Hello friends, it's Sherry. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm here with another fun BB Craft demonstration. Yeah, I do demonstrations for BB Craft, and that is a website that has hundreds of craft supplies. They have a YouTube channel or a YouTube program that you could apply for if you have a YouTube channel with 100 subscribers or more. I'm going to have a link under this video where you can go and click that link, apply for their program, and they will send you, you pick out some products under a, you have a limit of a certain amount of money, and you pick out some products and then they send them to you for free and you get to demonstrate them. I mean, how can you beat that, right? It's so fun. So yeah, I've picked out some very lovely products this time, and I already did one unboxing, showed you what I picked out, and I did one video. So this is my second, or actually my third video, second demonstration video. But the products I picked out again are these letter beads, which I've never used before, so I'm so excited to get those. Some beautiful charms. All the rest are charms, but these are bees, butterflies, and dragonflies. These are some pretty metal flowers. Aren't they gorgeous? And then the hearts, little tiny hearts, heart charms, and all these colors came in this box, so they all come together, but you get a little red, white, black, and these light pink ones, perfect for our Valentine's Day. So, and these are great for spring or whenever you need a little fun color in your life, right? So, last video I made this bead charm with, it says Be Mine here, and I've got the yellow wooden bead on top. Now I already had those, and I added my own, jump rings and lobster claw clasp on here, and used my own eye pins. But yeah, I added these beads down here, and then this is one of the little beads from BB Craft that I just showed you in that little package, a little bee charm. So the things from BB Craft on here are the letters and this little bee, and look how cute that came out. So cute. And you can do so many things with these, but even you can do so many things with a little bead charm like this. Hang it on the side of a journal, hang it on a tassel, hang it on the outside of a journal, hang it on a keychain, hang it on your purse, hang it wherever you want to have a little Be Mine bead tassel, right? Hang it on your rear view mirror. Give it as a gift to someone in Happy Mail. So today I wanted to use the other charms that I haven't used yet. So I'm going to use a sunflower, and I'm going to see if we can use the hearts too. Let's see if I add a little heart here, what would be cool to add a little heart. I mean, there's so many things I want to do with these hearts, but this is my last video. So let's see if we can add with our sunflower as a little addition, a little heart right next to it. And wouldn't that be cute to have a little heart right next to this little sunflower on a bead dangle? So let's do that. Actually, maybe we'll add two. Maybe we'll add a black one too. A black one and maybe we'll hang one up near the top too. That would be cute. Up near the lobster claw clasp. I'm not sure how it would hang though. I don't think it would hang right now that I'm looking at my other one. But I think it would be perfect down here by the flower. Yeah, that would be really cute. So that's what we're going to do with those. Just thought of that. So to get started, one trick is that these beads have the hole through the side. So I lined my word up. I'm using the word love for this one. So I'm putting them on kind of like backwards so you can read down like that. Let's see, L-O, whoops. Put them on the right order. That would be good, right? So you spell your word right. Love. Okay, so that, oops. I did that before. You'd think I would learn, right? Okay, so what you have to do, so that doesn't happen. A good example. I did that on purpose. No, I didn't. I forgot. I have to put this on first to demonstrate. You have to put this on first so that your beads don't fall off. Hello. So yeah, I learned that on the last one, but I forgot. You just want to go, right? You just want to get going. Okay, so you put this on here. And what I also learned was on the last one I had never done one. I've done lots of bead dangles, but not exactly like that before. So I learned to go ahead, since I'm going to be using 2 or 3 of these, go ahead and put 2 on here at one time. That way I don't have to open up my little jump ring here twice. So I've got 2 eye pins on there. And let me just make sure this is even. I think it is, actually. Yeah, I think that's even. Okay, yep, we're good. It's even. Okay, so I'll go ahead and put my word on there first again. So now it won't slip off because it's got that, see, it's got that jump ring to stop it. So we're spelling backwards here. The word love. And then we're going to make a little ring or a little loop right here at the end. I have just enough room to make a nice little loop. I don't need to cut any off of this one. And I just kind of try to make a nice circle so that it's just together. I'm going to put this down carefully so my words don't come off, my letters. And I want another jump ring here. So I think I'm going to use a big one on top. I have 2 different sizes of jump rings, so that's what I'm talking about when I say big one. There's 2 different sizes in that package. I've got these jump rings from Walmart because I wanted some gold ones. I had like pewter or nickel colored ones, and I have bronze ones, but I didn't have any gold, so I went ahead and picked up some gold because these charms have gold metal. My letters are coming off. Hold on. Let me get them back on there. They didn't come off, but they're just starting to come off. So yeah, you have to hold these tight. And have to hold these tight. Just a second. Let me get it on there tight so that I can see my loop. There's my loop sticking out the top. So I'm going to get this on there real quick before my letters come off. Okay, got that in there. Now, this is my top of my bead dangle. So I can go ahead and put my jump ring on there now so I don't, again, have to open up my jump ring twice. I mean, yeah, my little jump ring twice. I'm going to go ahead and put my lobster claw clasp on there. I don't know what I said just now, but if I said jump ring, I'm putting on a jump ring. I didn't mean that. I'm putting on a lobster claw clasp. So we already have the jump ring on there. We're going to put the lobster claw clasp on here, and then we'll close up our jump ring so we don't have to open this up twice. Save a little time. So I'm going to grab the jump ring, and twist it back together. You know how you do. You don't pull it apart. You kind of twist it. Get a hold of it. There we go. Just make it even again, how it was, so that nothing comes off of there. Nice and even. Yeah, these jump rings I got from Walmart are really nice. They go back together so nicely and evenly. Some don't work that well, it doesn't seem. Okay, so we got that on there. Now we need some more, this will be the yellow, black, and white at the bottom. So now we need some pretty beads here. So I pulled out my wood beads because they're so nice and colorful, and they really look good with these charms actually. So I've got a yellow, green, let's pull out all the colors I have, red and blue, and we'll see what we use here. They all, seems like about 3 fit on this little eye pin that I have nicely before I have to add another eye pin. So let's just go with the blue, green, and of course we have to have yellow since this is a sunflower bead dangle. And with 3, that leaves me, I don't have any more room for any more beads. And I kind of look at it and see if I think my loop's going to be, I don't want my loop to, I'm going to make my loop, but I don't want any metal showing here. I said that in the last video. This looks like I could possibly go ahead make my loop. Maybe I'll try to make a little bit bigger loop. I'm going to push it down here in the bigger part of my needle nose pliers and make a little bit bigger loop. So maybe I can take up all this metal here and not have any extra metal. Okay, so I'm just going to try to make a nice circle all the way around to back to my metal. Which, there we go. Yeah, now I got it. Okay, I got a nice loop there. Let me show you, since it turned out so nice. It's a nice loop. If you can see that, hopefully you can. So now I got to decide, do I want more beads or do I want to end it? I think I want to end it actually before these beads come off. So let's go ahead and put another, I need one more jump ring right here. So let's open this up. So you can add more here at this point if you want more beads. You can make it as long as you want. Add all kind of things in between the bottom and the top, whatever you want, you know, whatever you have. Just have all kinds of fun with these, really. Okay. So opening up my jump ring, I'm going to slip this on here into that little loop we just made. And before I close it up, I'm going to add on to here. Now I put a little one on here so that we'll see if everything fits on here. I'm going to add, let's see, I think I need to go ahead and let me hold on to this with so my fingers aren't in the way. I'm going to add on this side. We'll see if we can keep all this on here without dropping it. So we've got one little heart, we've got the sunflower. Now I need to grab it from this side, and let's see, is that right? No, we're good. Let me go ahead and put this on. Yeah, I was thinking I needed to grab it from the other side, but no, we're good. Okay, yeah, this will work out. All right, see, kind of playing it by ear and experimenting here. So get it together, nice and flat if you can. Work with it a little bit maybe. Let's see. I'm trying to see if it's not together yet. For some reason it's not together. So let me hold on. Let me see this for a second. I've got lots of stuff on there now. As you saw me put all that stuff on there and it's not together. So I don't want anything to slip off. And I need to it's even, but it's not. I've got an opening here. Let's see, did I get it together yet? It's kind of like you gotta hold it tight and try to smash it together. There sometimes when it doesn't go back together. And I just said how good these jump rings were going back together, and this one didn't go back together. For some reason, I don't know, I didn't twist it wrong. I want to show you this though, so let me just squish it together there. I think I might have it. Anyway, yeah, I think it's together. If it comes apart, I will put it back together. But there was a little split there where it wasn't together, so I don't want it to come apart. But super cute. Wow, I love it. I love it with the little hearts on there. That is so adorable. Okay, let me show you. So we've got the lobster claw clasp up here. That's going to hold on to whatever we want to put it on. We've got our word, love, some pretty colorful beads that look awesome with this little sunflower, and the two little hearts that can just float around there, back, front, whatever, of the little sunflower. Aren't those cute? Let me get those up close so you can see those. Aren't they adorable? And with I love the words. I'm so glad I got these beads. I've never had word beads before, or letter beads, and just really a lot of fun to spell out words like that. So yeah, just check out BB Craft and all my links below. And if you've never used a letter beads, they are super fun. So there you go. That's our two little bead dangles that we made during this BB Craft demonstration, these few videos. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed all my goodies, and I will see you all in my next video. Happy crafting!